Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This updated video today is going to be showing you how to get free shiny rocks in Gorilla Tag. This uses a working Gorilla Tag promo code that you can apply right now in game, and it's going to supply you with 20,000 free shiny rocks. I believe it is 20,000. We will check that. But yeah, guys, these are by far the best Gorilla Tag promo codes. There's other things as well. They do add and remove codes quite often, and I searched high and low, and these are by far the best Gorilla Tag promo codes, and it is the easiest method to get shiny rocks in Gorilla Tag for free. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, please drop a like on this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get into the tutorial, guys, and show you how to get shiny rocks using promo codes. What you're going to want to do to obtain your Gorilla Tag promo code is just use your mobile phone internet browser, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game in Gorilla Tag. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So type this into your mobile phone internet browser, guys. And Cold Coupons is basically a game code website. I'm sure you gathered that, but they actually have tons of other VR games. They have console games. They even have stuff like food application codes. So they have loads of stuff. What you're going to want to do is just use the search bar at the top of the page and type in Gorilla Tag. And essentially you need to type it correctly, and it's going to bring you to this Gorilla Tag promo codes page. And I actually discovered this method through another YouTube video, but the tutorial didn't have many views, so I thought I'd recreate it. So when you reach this page, you can see it is highly rated and very popular. Go ahead and scroll down, and this is the code here. So it is 20,000. This is a Gorilla Tag promo code. Get 20,000 shiny rocks for free. So this is a simple code, guys, that you can enter in game, and it's going to add 20,000 shiny rocks to your account. And this is going to save you a bunch of money, because I believe this is probably about $60 US or more. So as you can see, guys, you need to reveal your Gorilla Tag promo code. These are limited codes. There are tons of them, almost 1,000, 900 and something. But it does limit one code per person, guys. So you can only do this once to get 20,000 shiny rocks. So once you get your code, you've got to keep it safe. So to get your code, click on this button, and you just got to follow the instructions on this screen here. It tells you what you need to do to unlock your Gorilla Tag promo code. So it says complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to get your code. So basically, guys, on this page, you're going to have a bunch of different tasks, and they're all completely free, and you just need to complete 2 of them and ensure you follow the instructions below each one. And what it means by that is there is some text here that tells you what you need to do to complete that task. So that is very important you follow that, because yeah, basically that tells you, like, this one says start free trial. So basically you would click on it and just follow through the steps. So if you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your promo code for Gorilla Tag will be revealed in this box. And once you redeem it in game, that is going to give you 20,000 free shiny rocks. So that is it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Head on over to Cold Coupons and then just navigate your way to the Gorilla Tag promo codes page and select the 20,000 free shiny rocks code. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.